All right, this seems like what the people want. Posted a short on this one earlier today and it's getting a lot of attention, so I thought you guys might enjoy a close-up walk around of this 09 Wrangler Unlimited X. Heavily modified. Fenders are gone. Really nice, big, rugged off-road tires. I think our tagline on this one on the website is pay for the modifications and get the G for free. As you can see, it's got a light bar up there, a really, really mean looking hood. And this one is definitely one that means business. It can take on any trail, I'm sure. Coming from New York City, I'm just not really super into the off-roading scene yet, but maybe that'll change once I get my first Wrangler. Again, this has been heavily modified. Let's take a quick look inside. Just came out of cleanup as well, and previous owners definitely used it for off-roading purposes, but looks much better now after having come out of cleanup. And then those of you who are familiar probably gonna know exactly what this stuff is. Off-road sway bar, and then another close-up as well. And another problem is that I don't know how to drive manual, so I would have a hard time driving this guy. But they have seat covers all around. Hand crank windows, so these work even while the car is off. And then, as I said, manual transmission. So if you know how to drive stick shift, this should be a blast for you. Really, really cool Wrangler. Got a phone mount, CD player, light switches. I mean, just not gonna get much cooler than this. If you want an off-road weekend toy, this is a perfect option for you. Check the description below. Get in touch with me. Love to help get this one into your hands. Again, appreciate all you guys watching, supporting the channel in this way. Looking forward to talking to so many more of y'all in the future. Hope you enjoyed this one.